tutorial, man. We finna show y'all how to get waves in 2018, man.
2018.
Brand new.
How to get waves, period. It don't gotta be 360 waves. It could be any type of waves. Just how to get waves, period, man.
You can have straight hair waves, mixed. You can have coarse hair waves, all that.
We ganging in this shit.
Man, y'all know what's going on.
Show them how to get them coarse hair waivers.
I'm gonna tell y'all the top 3 things that y'all need to get waves, man.
Top 3.
Top 3. First thing is first, you need you a good brush. Now, no messed up little tiny brush, no little your sister brush, none of that. You need you a good brush, good
hey,
nice
bro, what's
brush.
up with a little brush though?
That's a nice brush though.
All right. Ain't nothing wrong with a little brush.
Get you a good brush though. You know. Get you a nice deluxe DURAG. I recommend y'all get Silkies, cause it's really gonna have your hair looking silky by the time you start waving, man. And y'all can cut your hair off right now. Cut your hair off. If you got hair right now and you've been watching us and you've been feeling like cutting your hair, you might as well go and cut your hair right now.
Cut that nasty ass mop off your head, boy.
So, I'm a coarse hair waver, so if you feel like you got coarse hair but you don't really know your texture yet, this is what coarse hair waves look like.
That's a coarse, all right.
So I'll start off using this right here. It's a curl enhancement smoothie. You can find it at Walmart.
Open it up. Show what it look like. It's creamy. It's not grease. It's creamy.
Yeah, it's like a cream type. It's not grease. It's like, you feel me? Cream type. So that's what you really need. Apply that in your hair. Don't put too much. Put a nice coat. Rub it all your hands till your hands are all white. Once you apply it, boom, boom. Get your brush. You already know what to do. Get your nice brush session in like he doing. But he a mixed hair waver, so he wouldn't know what that feel like.
Man, shut up. They want to hear how to get medium texture. Not too many people got this nasty, coarse hair, nappy hair, boy. Let me show you how to get the medium texture. For all you mixed niggas, anybody that got good hair, man. Let me show you what you need real quick. I ain't mean to interrupt your little video, bro. But you feel me? It's my time, man.
All right.
Look, it's what I use. That good formula.
The mixed hair waver's been
I'm not talking about baby formula. I'm talking about that real grease formula. You feel me? That raw shell cocoa butter. You feel me? It's what it is right here. South Africa.
Nice.
You gotta go to South Africa if you want this. I just came back from Africa. Got dumb bottles of it. So look, you want to get you some of this? You want to get you a little bit. You feel me? If you really want waves, you gotta start off with something like this. Not too many people know about this. See, everybody know about this. It's cool, ain't nothing wrong with it.
Regular $5 bottle.
This is a regular $5 bottle. This is $8. $8. Now, like I said, I went to South Africa. Boom, boom, boom. But look, you want to get you a little bit. Enough for the finger. Just enough. I ain't putting nothing in this morning, so I'm going to go ahead and put something in for you guys.
Yep.
You want to get some in? Good finger.
Good little pea size.
Rub it in real good. Rub it in till you can't see it no more. You want to rub it in good and nice. And you want to apply it. You want to slide it straight down. Slide it from all angles. Don't just do the front. It depends what type of waves you got. If you just got a boosty fade waves in the front, you just want to apply the front. But if you have a 360, like me and my brothers do, you want to rub it all around.
All over.
All over. You want to apply it. You want to pick your brush up. Either brush works. I got the egg brush. I call it an egg brush because it looks like an egg. And I have the spatula brush. I call it a spatula. So you want to just grab your brush when you start brushing. And for you new wavers, the 2018 wave, really want waves, you have to brush like crazy. You can't just pick up a brush and brush 30 minutes, 40 minutes. When you're first trying to get waves, you have to prove yourself. You have to prove to the wavers that you want waves. You really have to go to the beach and brush your hair by the beach if you really want waves.
Exactly.
And take notes if you're a real waver. I'm really putting you up on game. Well, go ahead, man. Show them a little bit about the coarse hair wavers.
Let me get back to the coarse hair waver where waves originated, you know. But sporting waves, you know, if you can't afford the high price $8 bottle, you know, good waves, or you can't afford his stuff he got from South Africa.
South Africa.
Boom. Go and get you a little sporting wave bottle. Sporting wave, little $5.
You go to your local beauty supply. They got it in the top left shelf. Yep. They got all the brothers on the bottle. Don't get no perm.
Don't
get a perm wave kit.
Don't ever do the kit.
Never get a kit. I don't care what type of waves you got. I don't care if you got bald head.
Don't ever do the kit.
Never get the kit. I'd rather prefer you to buy fake waves.
Man.
Sew them in your bald head.
But this pretty much all you need though. You need this. All of this right here, that's gonna get you waves.
All you need is a brush,
to be honest,
a little bit of muscle.
none of this is gonna get you waves. This
Nah.
just to help make your hair healthy and lay it down. This was gonna get you waves right here.
This is gonna get you the waves right here.
This gonna get you waves.
You have to brush.
You playing the
So
game,
important.
you not doing nothing. What you could be doing? Brush.
If you watching your favorite TV show and it go on commercial, pick up a brush. That's a cool 20-minute brush session because commercials is long nowadays. I don't watch TV, but pick up a brush and just get the brush in there. You want to
If you don't know how to brush your hair, you can check on our page. We got a video on how to brush your hair.
How to brush your
It's gonna be
hair.
linked down in the bio.
How to give your waves a natural shine, natural.
All that.
Cause when I walk in the sun, my hair be glowing. They be like,
Listen.
oh my god.
All the time. But you're gonna learn about that once your hair start coming in. Cause right now you probably got straight hair, or you probably got an afro and you finna go cut it off after you watch this video. But go cut that mop off and get a brush like this.
And what I know, you cannot rush waves. You cannot rush it. You have to really put in the work. Like really put in the work. It's a long process. It's like a job. People don't really understand how important waving is. Because I never knew I had to do all this. I just thought I just had to brush and do stuff. You have to do the wash method. You have to do the plastic bag method, egg method. It's a lot of methods you have to do to get to the next step and the next step and the next step. So
next step to becoming an elite waver.
it comes with a lot. It comes with a lot. And I'm still working on my crown. And my brother, he just bought a little brush. He's working on his crown.
Yeah, a little brush. I'm gonna teach y'all that later on.
Yeah.
Right now, y'all don't have to worry about a crown. You need to worry about brushing the rest of your head.
Start brushing. And I just started waving like last year. Only been waving for like about 8 months.
You see how
6
fast
months.
this process came in.
I just started waving. I just had a mop just like you guys had. If you guys had one, I had the little thought cut. I had the little Nicky on, but I had to cut it off because I wanted waves.
Become a new person. See what you
New
look
person,
like without
man.
hair.
When you become a waver, a lot of doors open up.
Yep.
A lot of females started recognizing me because of the waves. They was like, Bucci, I want to ride your waves. But yeah, it's the
That's
2018, how to get waves.
All you need. That's all you need.
All you
man.
need is the Silky. Show them the Silky.
Good silky do-rag.
You need you a good swim cap to hold the
Nice
pressure
compression.
down. Because you're going to be woofing. And you're going to need it to hold it down. Boom. Oh, yeah. And make sure you have a comb. I almost forgot.
You're
have
gonna need
the
a comb in the long run.
In the long run, you're going to need a comb for connections.
Exactly.
We're going to make a video about that. But you're going to need a comb for better connections so your waves can connect.
That way they can connect a whole 360.
Oh, 360.
They're gonna look at the wave, they're gonna follow the wave around your head. It's gonna be like, it's gonna connect all the way
all
like
gonna
a beehive.
connect. Beehive. His head already looked like a beehive, so
Yep.
just imagine.
You can become that elite waver.
Elite waver.
But that's pretty much all y'all need, man.
How to get waves 2018.
Yeah. Make sure y'all hit the like and subscribe button.
Get this
man.
video a thumbs up. Make sure you
Thumbs up.
comment any advice, anything you need. You can hit the DMs, our Instagram page at the Wave Brothers.
We're gonna reply
We
back.
reply back. You can text me. My Instagram is abucci_.
Yeah, everything
His
gonna
Instagram.
be linked down in the bio. My Instagram is x.rico.x. Everything linked down in below.
The Wave Brothers, man. We out.